welcome. You're watching Island House Handmade, a show about making life more creative from home, from my home in Long Island. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Renee, and I look forward to sharing with you my creative process and ideas that I use in my home and around the grounds, and my slow living process throughout the seasons. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you enjoy the series, please like and subscribe, and we'll grow our channel together. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.